Hey guys, today I'm taking you inside Mr. DIY Goa. Honestly, one of the most fun and affordable stores. So, if you love cute accessories, home decor, kitchen finds, and even random little things, this place has everything. See, this place is full of cutest diaries. They are so pretty. You can actually see the prices right here on the tags. Do pause the video and take a closer look. And now comes the doll section. See, they are very cute. And the best part is the prices are really affordable. You can actually find stores here under 400 rupees, even some around 200 rupees. These cute flower vases comes under 200 rupees. And now we are in the mug section. They have so many designs here. And the happy part is you can actually find mugs here for under 100 rupees. I mean, that is so affordable, right? This is the towel section. You will find cute kerchiefs, face towels, colorful kitchen towels, and even bath towels. See, this looks so cute, right? Okay guys, this is one section I absolutely love, the hair clips and ribbons. They have many varieties of them. See, there are cute little clips for babies and stylish options for youngsters like us too. There are colorful ribbons and trendy hairbands and tiny pins. Here is literally like something cute everywhere you look. Honestly, I spend so much time just standing here and picking out my favorites. And the best part is that everything is really affordable. And I could say this is one of my absolute favorite sections in the entire store. Now look at this section, the keychains. They have such a cute collections here. And now we have reached the jewelry section, and here the earrings is just starting from 37 rupees. And they have such a big varieties here. Some really pretty sets. Okay, now look at this, the bag section. You will find cute little pouches for keeping pens and the makeup organizer bags and some backpacks and everyday bags. here is the chappals and socks section. And for more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And that's it for today. See you guys in the next video. Bye.